Have you ever noticed how some websites and videos load almost instantly, even when the original content might be hosted thousands of miles away? It can feel like magic, but it is actually the result of clever network architecture working behind the scenes. Edge servers cache web content by creating and storing local copies of frequently requested data at network locations geographically closer to the end users. This strategic placement significantly reduces the physical distance data must travel, leading to much faster loading times and an improved overall experience for anyone accessing that content. This powerful capability is primarily delivered through what is known as a content delivery network, or CDN. Imagine a vast, distributed system of interconnected servers spread across the globe. When you try to access a website or stream media, your request is intelligently directed to the CDN's edge server that is physically closest to your location. If this local server already holds a duplicate of the content you are looking for, it can instantly deliver it, completely bypassing the original web server and the many network hops that would normally be required. The process begins when a user initiates a request for web content, like an image file or a JavaScript document. The CDN's domain name system, or DNS, will resolve the request by directing the user to the nearest and most optimal edge server. If that edge server already has a stored copy of the requested content, known as a cache hit, it serves it directly from its local storage. If it is a cache miss, meaning the content is not yet stored locally, the edge server fetches it from the original web server, stores a copy, and then delivers it to the user. Subsequent requests for the same content by other nearby users will then benefit from the newly cached data. A key metric in this system is the cache hit ratio, which measures how often content is served directly from an edge server versus having to go back to the origin server. A higher cache hit ratio indicates greater efficiency and faster delivery. Another important concept is time to live, or TTL, which defines how long a cached item remains valid before the edge server must recheck with the origin server for updates. These sophisticated mechanisms ensure that users receive content both quickly and accurately. By intelligently distributing content and serving it from the network's periphery, edge servers dramatically enhance web performance, boost user satisfaction, and reduce the operational load on central data centers. This localized caching strategy ensures that whether you are browsing an e-commerce site or watching a live stream, the content arrives swiftly and reliably, making your online experience seamless and highly responsive.
If you love understanding how the web works, like, subscribe, and stay connected with us.